New frozen multifunctional smart pizza vending machine is maintaining a cabinet temperature of -18 for optimal freshness. A large inventory of 72 pizza balls ensures it can hand-pick customer traffic. Intelligent dual-cycle heating, combining microwave and hot air heating with part cooking of both warm and cooking food. A 15.5-inch large screen ordering system serves as not just a menu, but also your stream advertisement. Use your mobile phone to monitor operation and remote adjust the menu. More than just a pizza machine, it's an all-in-one smart pantry center that can hand pizza, chicken meat, and baking all in one machine.